G'day everyone, here with a grumpy children's python, now named children's python. We used to know them as Stimson's python. This one's very grumpy, had a strike at me, had a strike at the bag as it was going in. Yeah, so we'll get this grumpy little one out. Normally they're not that grumpy, but we'll see what it wants to do. And we can go from there. There he goes. He's a grumpy fellow, this one. He wanted to bite me. They're normally not grumpy at all. So it could be a gravid female. It's quite thick. There you go, off it goes. It's more than happy. Beautiful. Excellent. So this was found in the middle of the road. Lovely lady gave me a call. So that's good to see those guys back out bush. There's a water supply not too far away, just behind all these bushes. So hopefully it does well. Thanks very much, Carnarvon. Have a great one.